Hey there, home cooks. Welcome back to another delicious recipe tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some mouth-watering chicken enchiladas right in your own kitchen. These enchiladas are packed with flavor and are surprisingly easy to make. Trust me, your family and friends are going to thank you for this one. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special gathering, these enchiladas are sure to be a hit. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need shredded cooked chicken, which you can either cook yourself or use a rotisserie chicken for convenience. You'll also need tortillas, enchilada sauce, and shredded cheese. The type of cheese is up to you, but a mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack works wonderfully. And don't forget the spices: cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder. These will add that extra kick to your chicken filling. Alright, let's get down to business. Make sure you have everything ready and within reach. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your enchiladas will cook evenly and the cheese will melt perfectly. While that's heating up, grab your shredded chicken and toss it in a bowl. If you're using leftover chicken, make sure it's shredded finely. Season it with a teaspoon each of cumin, chili powder, and garlic powder. Feel free to adjust the spices to your taste. Mix it all up until the chicken is well coated. You want every bite to be flavorful. Now take your tortillas and warm them up in a microwave for about 30 seconds. This makes them more pliable and easier to roll without breaking. This step is crucial for getting that perfect roll. Lay out a tortilla, spoon a generous amount of the seasoned chicken down the center, and sprinkle a bit of cheese on top. Don't be shy with the filling. Roll it up nice and tight, and place it seam side down in a baking dish. This helps keep everything together while baking. Repeat this until your dish is full. Depending on the size of your dish, you might get around 8 to 10 enchiladas. Next, pour that rich, savory enchilada sauce all over the top of your rolled tortillas. Make sure to cover every inch. Make sure they're all completely covered. This sauce is what keeps the enchiladas moist and flavorful. Then sprinkle a good amount of shredded cheese over the top. The more cheese, the better, right? I mean, who doesn't love a cheesy enchilada, right? The cheese will melt and create a delicious, gooey topping. Pop your dish into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. This is the perfect time to prep any sides you might want, maybe some Mexican rice or a fresh salad. These sides complement the enchiladas perfectly. Once those 20 minutes are up, carefully take your enchiladas out of the oven. Use oven mitts to avoid any burns. Let them sit for just a few minutes to cool slightly. This will make them easier to serve, and the flavors will meld together even more. This will make them easier to serve and eat. Use a spatula to carefully lift each enchilada onto a plate. Now for the best part, serving them up. Your kitchen will smell amazing, and everyone will be eager to dig in. Garnish with some fresh cilantro, maybe a dollop of sour cream, and a squeeze of lime if you're feeling fancy. These little touches add a burst of freshness, and there you have it. Delicious homemade chicken enchiladas that are sure to impress. They look as good as they taste. So give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback and any variations you might have tried. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes.